At this point, we've drawn a two-dimensional circle at the top of our three-dimensional square. We are now ready to move on to our Polygon tool. Select the Polygon tool from the Sketch tab. When the Polygon menu appears, you should see several boxes, including one that asks for the number of sides on the polygon at the top. We want to draw a 5-sided polygon. We will begin our pentagon very similar to the way we started our circle drawing, by clicking the point at the end of the dotted line we created earlier. Click one time, then move your mouse in towards the center of the square. We want to be sure that we don't connect our polygon to the origin or to the point at the end of the line, but somewhere in between. You will notice the angle changes as you move your mouse, and you want the angle to stay at 180 degrees. Click the mouse one time. Our Polygon menu now shows the number of sides as well as an angle and a diameter for the circle that is inscribed in the center of the polygon. Our diameter of the circle should be 10 millimeters. Type in 10 and press enter. Click the green check mark.